Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how to do Ask Me Anything trend on Snapchat. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is follow the instruction as guided. So before getting started, make sure that you've updated your Snapchat application to the latest version, and also make sure to check your internet connection. So first of all, open up your Snapchat application. So once you open up your Snapchat application, on the bottom right corner of your screen you can see there is a smiley icon or the emoji icon. Just simply tap on it. So after you tap on it, on the other page you can see right at the bottom there are multiple options. So from here you'll have to tap on explore, which is right in the corner. So after you tap on the explore button, on the other page there are a list of filters and all these trending filters or all the feature that is available on Snapchat. So in order to do Ask Me Anything trend, what you have to do is you'll have to simply tap on the search box in the top right corner, and after that on the search box type in Ask Me Anything. So after you type in Ask Me Anything on the search box, on the other page you have a list of options. So then the correct filter that we are looking for is right over here, and along with Ask Me Anything you can even type in Ravi Rao so that it will be easy for you to find the filter. So you can see that the filter is right over here. All you have to do is just simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to take a snap as well. So in case if you want to add music, then just simply tap on the music icon in the top right corner of your screen. So after that you'll be able to add music to this following snap. In case if you want to take a snap, all you have to do is tap on the circle icon, which is right in center. So once you're done taking a snap, you can even add caption to it, or you can even add text to it. And in case if you want to do that, just tap on T icon in the top right corner of your screen. And once you're done, tap on next in the bottom right corner of your screen. So over here you'll have to select where you want to actually send it or where you want to actually post it. So you can even post it on your story, or you can even send it to your best friend or your friend that is on your Snapchat. And once you're done selecting, tap on the arrow icon in the bottom right corner of your screen, and then that is how you can do Ask Me Anything trend on Snapchat. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. So make sure to like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.